And me and my friends are gonna make slime. So there we go. Okay. So we have both of those. Let's go make the slime. So I get some. Okay.
I mean, you really have a true open concept here. It is awesome. It's impressive what you've done. Yes. You're saying all the right words. Window coverings, new lighting. I have to say, this is just
I'm gonna use some food coloring. 2 drops.
absolutely incredible. Let's do it.
To make it a little more crunchy. Now I'm going to add in this slime, but because I don't want that slime anymore. There is a lot of glitter. Okay.
That's true. But when we found a home like the absolutely gorgeous backyard, I think I probably warmed up to you.
And then some green.
The outside space is that
Activator. Okay, so this is mine and this is mine. Let's go mix. Okay, the green. Guys, had some shaving cream. There's a lot of shaving cream. And now the activator. Okay, my slime's almost succeeding.
Slime's right now a big mess. I added a bit.
Oh, both of our slimes are green.
I added a bit too much shaving cream. So I'm going to add a bit more pink. Add a bit. It's nice, but the foam beads aren't inside it. It's my slime. Okay, can you add an activator?
Activator. I only had to use what? I used activator once and then my slime succeeded. Yeah, it has good pokes. Okay. Hey guys, I'm gonna meet you in a while. Okay.
I'm almost ready with it. Here's my slime.
It's succeeding.
Succeeding a lot. I had to do a lot of mixing with it. And it's a nice slime.
I'm actually doing a pet peeve right now where they poke the slime in the container. But I'm not making pet peeve video right now, but here's the slime.
Gonna add some more pink because I wanted it to be a nice see-through slime, but it did not work.
Okay. Oh, mine has good crunches because of the foam beads. Okay, I'll just take one out. Okay. The foam beads made the slime crunchy.
Just adding as much more pink as I can.
Pink color. On my next slime video. Okay.
Here's my slime. I'm adding in the pink, but the pink's kind of like ruining it. I'm gonna use this container.
Okay, that container.
It kind of feels like now with the glue I need more activator because it's now getting sticky. So I'm gonna add just some. It's nice. I'm getting it controlled, but yeah. So I just added more shaving cream, and that was a bad idea. So I'm gonna have to kind of like do it over again.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you a quick look at these glues that we used.
This is everything we used.
We used washable color glue. We used glitter glue. My friend used clear glue. I used Jot white glue. Yeah, my friend used that. I used that one. 3 of us. I did not use pink, but my friend did.
And I did use some blue, but I didn't use green.
Okay, we did not use different colors. Oh my gosh.
We forgot to use it.
I forgot it. Glitter. Okay, let's go show her slime.
Yes, so
Don't use a lot.
let's just make it ASMR. Going to pour it in. So now let's mix them.
I'm mixing mine.
Mine's super satisfying if you poke right to the glitter.
Yeah, there's the glitter.
There's the glitter. I found the glitter.
Rooted right here. Before we go any further, let's talk about numbers. Right now, your house is worth $7.
I love it so much. With all this glitter here, and the glitter hardly even sticks from when it must have fell. So I'm gonna.
You failed.
I didn't fail. I'm just gonna put it. Mine was a big mess.
Okay, guys.
Sebastian,
It's good right here?
Here's mine. Final result.
Yeah, here's mine. You see that they have that glitter.
And this all started off as as an original slime that we didn't like.
This is the smallest slime I've made. Okay, let's show our two slimes. Here's mine.
Now Sven, can I poke yours and you poke mine?
Okay. It has good pokes.
That was kind of like a fail, but the crunch on it is really nice.
Okay, guys. Okay, so this is the end of the video.